Here's a little quick tip in InDesign. If you've ever lost where your images are and you're trying to work out where you saved them, but you can still find them and see them in your Adobe InDesign file, here's a quick tip for you. So for example, here's my brochure and I want to figure out where on my computer this image is saved. To do this, you want to go to the links panel. So you can find that links panel, go to window and then links. Once you're in the links panel, if you select the image, whichever image is selected will be selected in your links panel. And all you need to then do is go over to it and right click and go down to reveal in Finder. Or I'm sure if it's on a PC, it'll have a very similar one. So once you click reveal in Finder, it will show you where that image is saved on your computer. So that's a really quick tip in InDesign to help you find when things have gone missing. All right. Thanks for watching that video. If you got something out of it, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and YouTube's going to show you a couple of videos that you might want to click. So hit one of those videos. Thanks for watching this one. See you in the next one, guys.